How to log into Axis Bank mobile application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can log in into Axis Bank mobile app. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you must have Axis Bank mobile application. If not, install it from Google Play Store. Open up the Google Play Store, search for Axis Bank application, follow some instructions and install it in your device. After you have installed it, you have to open it. That's gonna take you to login page. So once you get into login page, there is a text box that will ask for your username and password. So first of all, enter your correct username associated with your account, and under that you have to enter the password. Once you have entered your login credential, tap on sign in. And if the login credential is correct, then you will be signed in with your account. If not, you will not be able to sign into your account. In case you forgot your login credential, just under password text box, there is a link provided that says forgot credential. Tap on it, follow some instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. So that's the way to log into Axis Bank mobile application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.